Welcome to a world where your digital assets work for you around the clock. Introducing WECO, staking on Weset.app, the effortless way to grow your portfolio with WECOIN. Our platform is designed with you in mind, offering a transparent and user-friendly interface to harness the power of staking. Connect your wallet, stake your WECOIN, and watch as your digital garden blooms with rewards. WECOIN staking begins with connecting your wallet to Weset.app. There are two black buttons, one on the left panel, one in the top right to connect your wallet. Once you're connected, you'll see a dashboard, and there are some metrics at the top. The first being the total amount of WECOIN staked in the contract. The second one is the amount that the connected wallet has already staked. And the right-hand side shows the current rewards for this wallet. Now let's go to the steps for staking. It's pretty easy. So first, you need to have WECOIN in your wallet. As you can see, this wallet has over 44 million WECOIN. The next step is to approve that WECOIN to be staked on the platform. So if I want to stake 25,000 WECOIN, for example, I need to approve at least 25,000 WECOIN. So I'll go to Add, and I'll put 25,000 WECOIN, and I'll hit Approve. And I'm going to have to confirm this and sign this with my wallet. So this might take a few seconds. Once the staking amount has been approved, WECOIN can be staked. Begin by clicking the Add button on the right. If I want to stake 25,000, I will enter that amount and click Stake. Again, I'll be prompted to confirm and approve and sign with my wallet. Now, once I've participated in staking, I can claim my rewards at any time. So all I have to do is click Claim Rewards. And again, just like all other transactions, I need to approve and sign on my wallet. Once claimed, the rewards are automatically sent to the wallet. They can be restaked in order to boost returns with a compound interest effect. You can also unstake your principal by clicking the Withdraw button at the bottom of the dashboard. With Weset.app, staking WECOIN is more than just a transaction. It's a step towards a more prosperous future. Our platform is not only a tool, but a gateway to potential, empowering you to earn passive income with ease and confidence. Claim your rewards, compound your gains, and navigate your financial journey with the wisdom of a seasoned investor. Welcome to WECO, Staking 2.0, where you are passively building wealth and prosperity in the RWA and tokenization ecosystem.